my channel, I'm gonna try to make the double chocolate chip frappuccino with 4 ingredients. I saw this video and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. Yeah, so basically my parents are on their way to visit my brother, and so I'm gonna try and quickly make it and clean up everything before they even notice so I don't get in trouble. Okay, so I will be right back. Okay, so yeah, I'm a little slightly concerned that something will go wrong, but hopefully it should be easy. 4 ingredients, you know, that seems easy. So the 4 ingredients are chocolate syrup, chocolate chips, milk, and ice, which is in my freezer, which my parents actually got a new fridge, and I haven't used ice there, and I'm genuinely not sure if it's safe, but that's okay because we're gonna try, and hopefully I will just grind it all together and try my best not to die. I need 1 cup of ice, which I will get from the freezer. Okay. This is scary, I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of ice. Okay, that's definitely more than 1 cup. Okay, just got this giant block of ice. I just got it. Okay, it's very cold. My hand is frozen. Hold on. Okay, this is terrifying. Oh, great. Oh, my hands are so cold. This is so cold. Oh, guess that kind of worked. Okay. I'm trying to break it very quickly, but my hands are getting really cold. Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh, this is a terrible idea. Okay, maybe I should run it through some hot water. Honestly, that was probably a better idea. Okay. Okay. Nope, it's still cold. I also think I got more than a cup. Oh god. Okay. Okay. I feel like that's... I can't tell if that's enough. Oh, my hands are so frozen. Okay. Okay. I think that's good. So 1 cup of ice. 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. Okay. This only does until 1/2. Okay, great. I actually have another measuring cup. I can do 1/3. I feel like I've been really wanting to bake a lot lately, but like my parents just don't believe in me using like the oven. So just because my brother used to bake when we were younger, but then one day he like burnt something and my parents got really annoyed. So my dad was like, you can't use it anymore. And it sucks because like everyone on Instagram is like making cookies and stuff. Okay, I don't even... Okay. Let's see. Okay, is that 1/3? That's more like... I feel like it's kind of like 1/2. These are good. That's like 1/3. Okay. 1 1/4 cup of milk. Oh my gosh, that's so much milk. I swear if this actually tastes like the Starbucks double chocolate chip frappuccino, I will stop going to Starbucks and I will just make my own drink at home. When I watched this video, I just felt so ripped off. I was like, I've been spending $5 for 4 ingredients. 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, which I don't have tablespoons, so I'm just gonna put it in a cup and hope for the best, to be honest. I don't know. Oh, but first I have to open this. Okay, I'm a little nervous now. Can you kind of eye tablespoons? Maybe I should just grab an actual table, like a spoon. I feel like when I was younger, I used to just grab a spoon with my family and literally just pour it in and be like, oh, that's a tablespoon. But I don't know if that's actually true. Oh, okay, that's 1. Okay, 2 and 3. Okay. Hopefully that was right. So basically blending until it's combined. Oh my gosh. I'm a little nervous. Okay. Maybe I should plug it in first. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna plug this in and hopefully not burn down my house while my parents are gone. Because, yeah, I don't think that would be good. Okay, so I was balancing my phone on an actual bowl because I don't have one of those camera tripod stand things yet. And then when I was grinding my frap that I was trying to make, like my phone fell over. And so I'm just adding a little clip about me grinding it like with just one hand. I think it looks pretty good actually. So I'm going to pour it in a cup and then I'm gonna test it out, put some whipped cream on it. I do have a thin plastic straw. Someone like gave me one time when I was drinking like boba and I was like, how am I gonna be able to use this to drink boba? So I just kept it because I was like, oh, I don't want to like throw it away, but I didn't want to put it back. Okay, I'm gonna pour it in my cup. Oh, oh goodness. I have made way too much for this cup. Let me go get the whipped cream. I feel like this is not what I was anticipating. So pretty much I made an absolute mess and my drink looks kind of, okay, it's a little messed up. Let's see how it tastes. I kind of see the similarities, to be honest. It's like it's kind of close, but I wouldn't say it's the same taste. But I'm wondering if like I messed up because I grinded it instead of blending it. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually pretty good. I'm just slightly concerned that my ice is not okay to eat from the fridge. It's funny because like I really thought I was gonna throw everything down the drain and I thought I was just gonna go eat some ice cream, but I think it actually turned out pretty well. It's definitely a lot of sugar. I feel like at Starbucks, they don't grind the chocolate chips as much because usually I have chocolate chips still stuck in mine. And I usually have like more ice, I feel. This is definitely more like everything is like super mixed together. I think that's the biggest difference, I would say. Hope you guys enjoyed this and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.